Hi, I'm Tom Rowe and welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. Today I'm going to go over how to update CentreStack and its clients. So I'm going to navigate to the CentreStack.com latest release page. This is presuming that you already have CentreStack installed and its clients installed, and what we're doing now is updating CentreStack and then pushing out those updates to the clients. So you can see what version we're dealing with here. Okay, so you're going to run the installer. Going to do the upgrade. Now this will take a few minutes, so I'm going to accelerate this really fast so it only takes seconds, but you'll just have to be patient while it updates all of your files. Okay, so here we are at Windows Server 2012 R2, and I've logged into my admin account, my cluster manager, and you can see what we have here is the previous version of CentreStack, and I'm just going to refresh this. And now when I go over and look at the information for the cluster, I see that it has been updated to the new version. So that's pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to go to the Client Version Manager, and we can see that we've got the new Windows client listed here because it's all updated. And all you have to do is hit Publish. And any of the clients that are connected to this CentreStack installation will automatically be updated at this point. You can see that the published version there has been updated. There's my server agent tab, and I'm going to publish that as well for any connected devices that are using the server agent. There's the published version. Now I'm going to the Mac Client tab, and I'll do the same here. Publishing that. We'll scroll down, and there's the published version of the Mac Client, as you can see. Okay, now I'm bouncing over to the Windows 10 machine, and I'm going to check out the installation here. We'll run the Windows client. As you can see, we've got a new client version pop up there on the bottom right corner, and that tells me that I'm going to have to restart in order for this to take effect. So I'm restarting the client management console for Windows. As we can see, the device info shows that the current client version has been updated. This is all pretty automated, so except for refreshing or shutting down and restarting the clients, you really don't have anything else to do here once the updates have been pushed from the cluster manager. So here I am on the Windows Server 2016 machine, and this is where I have the server agent installed. So I'm logging in. I'll check my device info here, and as you can see, I've got my update. So that was pretty easy. Now let's jump over to the Macintosh side. Here we've got the Mac client installed. I'm just going to log into the cloud drive here using an account that's in that CentreStack installation. Going to log in. Now we just go up to the GladioNet Cloud Drive icon and hit the settings. That's going to log me into the client management console, and there you can see the device client version has been updated. And that's about it. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. Pretty straightforward to update all of your clients from a CentreStack installation. Hope this was helpful. Please like, share, and see you next time.